What's up, everybody? Welcome back to The Run with me, Manny Wilson. I am here with the strongest man in Kalamazoo, the only person who could beat Thanos in a one-on-one fight, the only person who could probably rock bottom Dwayne Johnson to Rock Johnson. I'm here with my guy, George Smith. What's good, bro?
How you doing, bro?
I'm good, man. I'm good. So you be going to the gym, you strong. We be seeing you flexing on the gram, right. literally flexing on the gram, and he be flexing with the workouts that he doing on the gram for us. So, bro, talk about that just a little bit. Talk about your workout experience, man.
So, basically with working out, I started off like 3 years ago. So I wasn't always this strong. I was.
Hey, I told you I was strong. No.
I ain't come out the womb, big like this. And a lot of people thought I was, but I didn't. When I first started out, man, it was tough. I didn't like going to the gym either. It'd be tough just going, but after a minute, when you just keep on going and going, it's like, this is kind of cool. Like, I like it because, you get fit, you starting to see results, and you really like it.
Right.
But it takes time, though. It's not like something that happens really overnight. Mm-hmm. It's something that you kind of have to just keep on going and going. It's like, it's not immediate.
Process.
Yeah, it's not immediate. So you have to really be dedicated to it to see some type of results.
That's true. I feel that, man, because a lot of people think you go to the gym for a week, you're gonna come out swole. But it's really a process, though. Yeah. And that's like with anything when you're trying to, that's just like with basketball. You're trying to become better in basketball, you gotta practice and put the work in and stuff like that. So when you work out, is you waiting for somebody to try you? What makes you want to work out? You do it just for the joy of it, or what?
I do it because I actually love it. So at first, when I was doing it because I just wanted something. My life needed to change in a positive way.
So it was kind of therapeutic in a way.
So I was going through some stuff. So some people go other ways to deal with stress. Mm-hmm. My way is I go to the gym. So other people may listen to music. Other people may, go out to parties. Other people may watch a movie, read, whatever they got to do. I just go to the gym. So it's like it's like a therapeutic thing for me. So it's just like instead of just doing all that stuff, I just go to the gym and I just do that.
I feel like that's relatable. That was when I was going to the gym before all of this corona madness happened. I found myself trying to go back and all of that, just doing multiple things within the gym, like trying to box and stuff, just so I can stay active.
Boxing is a good workout.
Man, it's fun.
I tried it. It's tiring. It's tiring.
But it's fun though.
It's a great form of cardio that people should use because boxing shape. What I heard is there's no shape like boxing shape. Like you just
and then even if you watch boxing too though, you can kind of tell that's true. Like from the way people be cut up and stuff like that, and how much stamina they got when they in the ring going 12 rounds getting hit, and then even with UFC too, that's different. That's a different league because they get kicked. They get kicked in the leg and all kind of stuff, so it'd be wild. But I can relate to the therapeutic way. Going to the gym, it can be very therapeutic. Just running sometimes and just hitting the bag, whether you gonna run, jog, lift weights, all kind of stuff like that.
Right.
Now, you had a workout that intrigued me a lot, bro. I seen a workout and what it was is, so I'm gonna try and explain it. You might be able to explain it. You might know what I'm talking about. But basically, it's a core workout, and you standing there, you got your arms up. Is somebody taking some kind of weight or whatever? I don't know what do they use? They taking something and they hitting you in your stomach while you doing sit-ups or while you doing whatever you may be doing. But they basically just beating the hell out your stomach. So tell me about this workout. You got a name for it?
So I don't necessarily have a name for it, but I know a lot of people really have been intrigued by that workout. I actually put it on TikTok and it touched 1 million views on there.
Yeah, I seen that. I seen it on there.
People are in the comments. They're asking me, "What does this do? This doesn't do anything." All that stuff. So I'm just here to clear it up right now. Anything that I do and put out, it works. So I wouldn't just be doing it just to do it. It's a method behind the madness. So basically the workout is I have my hands up like I'm flexing, and I had I had two friends. One name is Juwan and the other one's name is Vaughn. Juan is hitting me with like a foam object that we found within the ARPs. So he just used that, and then Vaughn is hitting me with the actual boxing glove. So
I'm telling you, they beat the hell out of you.
So Juan, he started off with the foam like that. At first you're like, okay, it's not that bad. Right. But after he does it the 10th time, it's like this kind of stings a little bit. 10 times? Damn. So then as soon as he does that, Von got into the rhythm of just hitting me in the stomach while he's hitting me with the foam object. So what it does is besides, make me look like I can, it makes me look strong. Yeah, it's supposed to work your core, and it's just a core workout. Like it's strengthening my core because I do so many ab workouts. I've done so many crunches and so many not lunges, but leg workout. I mean,
just workouts in general. Right.
That it's not. It doesn't phase me anymore. It's like I need something else. I need a different level of working out because my body just got adapted to it.
Right.
So I needed a different. I have to think outside the box all the time with my workout regimens to advance my body. Because I'm the type where, and especially like I wish my peoples was here to vouch for me. But every time we work out, I'm like, look, I gotta get better. Gotta get better.
Hey, that's good. You got the drive with it.
Yeah, you just like I told him that don't be content on what you have right now because it could be gone tomorrow.
Man, and that's with anything. Anybody who listening today, anybody who heard it, that's with anything, regardless of what you're doing, man. Say that again. We gonna dramatic pause that right there. I ain't even gonna say nothing after you say that. One more time.
One more time. Okay.
Yeah, one more time.
Anything. You cannot be content with what you have because tomorrow it may be gone. Like, look at the coronavirus right now. We was content with going out, doing all, like, having fun. Now you can't have fun.
People can't even go to work.
You can't go to the restaurants or nothing. Like, it just, don't be content. Like, you can be satisfied with what you have, but just don't be content with it. Just, like, always want to get better.
Right, right. And I'm glad you actually brought up the corona too, because with the corona being out, people can't go to the gym and stuff like that. And you said you was working out at home. You be working out at home now because you can't go to the gym.
I gotta get it in, man.
So
like,
what's some of these home workouts looking like?
Okay, first I'm gonna tell you a few, and I'm gonna demonstrate.
Okay, we got
some.
I'm not
gonna do the whole thing. And I'm not about to make this a whole workout.
I'm not gonna lie. I low key wanna try that jab in the stomach. Oh my god. Look, I low key want to try that.
Whenever the gym is open, we can try it out. We can try it out.
Hey,
I literally had some people mid-party ask me, like, what was that? Like, can I do the workout too? Like, it just intrigues people so much to do it. I'm like, man, hey, it's whatever.
I'm trying to fight Thanos too, bro. But go ahead, home workouts.
Okay. So with home workouts, you can only really. Well, I have weights in my crib, so
okay. So you said,
yeah, I'm set. But you can do a full body workout such as basic things like push-ups, sit-ups, ab workouts like crunches and mountain climbers and planks, stuff like that. So I would say do all those, but do them at a fast pace. Don't take a long time to really recover. Like just after you're done doing your push-ups. I would do like four sets, 25 reps of push-ups.
Right.
And now I take like a 10-second break in between each set.
Man.
So, and then I go right back at it and do it again. So that's just me. But you can take a little bit longer, but I don't recommend that you wait no longer than 30 seconds. Because it's a home workout. Well, to me, home workouts, not that bad. But if you're just starting off, take about at least 30 to 45-second break and then do some more
push-ups or sit-ups.
And all that. So I'm gonna show some of the stuff that I do home workout wise.
Let's see it.
Let's see.